Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to take your pills, your medication, according to the pill schedule that's printed on the back of the packet of pills which is inside this box. So I'm taking Avapro HCT for blood pressure, and I take one pill every day in the morning, and there's 30 tablets in the pack. So I'll just open up this packet then. It's a brand new packet. So you can see there that there's actually 30 pills in this packet, 3 rows of 10, and there's the pill for the start the packet, and then it runs through all the days for 28 days, and then you've got the finish packet pill there. So what you actually have to do, so today is a Thursday, so what I'm going to do on the Thursday as my first pill then is I'll take that one as my first pill, because that's my start packet pill, and then tomorrow I'll be taking that pill for Friday in the morning for the pill. And then what I do then is I continue each day taking a pill. That's Friday, I'll take Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday I'd get down into the second row, and then I take all those pills there for another sort of 10 days. And then once I've done that Friday, then the Saturday, I take all the pills along here to the Sunday. And then the next day I come up here and take the pills for the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday and the Thursday, and then I finish off the packet here on the Friday. 30 days time is when I finish the packet. So therefore, whatever day that you're starting this new packet on, you always take the start packet day, and then the next day you look along here along the top row until you find that day of the week. It could be a Tuesday, a Wednesday, or whatever, and that for your second pill, and then you take that pill, and then you just keep following all the way along to the right along that top row, and then down here to the second row, come along to the left and take all the pills in the second row, down the third row, and then take all the pills into the last row here. And then you finish there on a Sunday, and you'll always be taking the extra spare pills Monday, Tuesday, whichever days they might be. And then when there's no pills left in the packet, when you've taken everything along the top row, then you take the last day is the finished packet day. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.